Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Golden Nanotech. I come back with another video. How can you fix the problem YouTube video can't comments? So you can see guys, here is the video, and restricted mode is hidden comments for this video. I can't comment this YouTube video. So how can you fix? You have to go in settings. This is Samsung A71 phone, Android system, and you go to the settings first and go to the account and backup and go to the reset and down and just reset network settings. And I'm doing reset network settings. The password, asking for the password. After I reset all, and now I have to set up. And I will try now. It's working, I hope. And I go to the YouTube and it's still not working, so I go to the settings of YouTube, email, and go to the settings, go to general, and here is the restricted mode is off, and I make it on. You see now, and I hope now it will be work. And I go to the any video, and you can see guys here and guys, now have to go the email and go to settings and go to general, and down restricted mode is off. You have to off. If it is on, you can't comment, so make it off and go back and go to any first you have to log out from the device. Okay, log out and then you log in. After that you can find that option and you go to any videos and you can comment it here. So thank you guys. See, thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for the new video. Hit the bell icon.